feel like you're very close to my face. A little too close for comfort, but since we're this close. What's up, guys? This is Jason for Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We're in like a truck. This is like it's like an emergency vehicle of some sort. I don't even know what this is, but it is dirty and it needs some cleaning up. This thing has seen better days. In fact, I don't know if it's seen any days in a while because there's spider webs everywhere. I'm gonna hit it with some leather quick detail spray. However, normally I'd probably recommend using something like Nonsense first because this is just a filthy mess, but I do want to illustrate the power of Leather Quick Detailer. It is strong enough to handle this, although you probably want to give it a deep clean with Nonsense first. In this particular instance, we don't have that available, so we're just going to use what we got. First things first, I'm going to take my microfiber towel and get rid of all the black widows in the general vicinity. Okay, great. And next, I'm going to flip to a clean side here. My towel, set this guy to spray, shake up the product because you want to make sure it's nice and mixed up really nice. Give it a couple sprays. And we're going to take this microfiber towel and wipe in one direction. Now, it's got a great scent of leather attached to this, rejuvenating and restoring the leather seat. In addition to wiping this off, I'm going to hit the back end in a second. I'm just going to keep wiping the front end here. You can see it's actually really restored. Look at all the dirt and grime that's coming off of this onto the microfiber. The piece that I've done already is completely restored back to its original black leather glory. And now what I'm going to do is, to get to that back area, I'm just going to give a couple sprays on the towel itself. Make sure I'm hitting that back section there. And I'm going to go the opposite direction just to make sure I get that. Whoops. Doing. Doing. And put this stuff in like the grooves, right? I'm trying to get into those little crevices and grooves. And you can see it's given the leather a beautiful sheen to it. It has restored it pretty much back to the original. And lastly, what I will do is I will flip to another clean side of this microfiber towel and just buff off the rest. The excess, the residue, any extra dirt and grime that might be on there after spraying. And voila, look at this beautiful seat. Compared to the before with the disgusting spiders and filthy dirt everywhere. And now the after, nice clean sheen. Beautiful smelling leather machine. Yeah, so pick up your Leather Quick Detailer today for all your leather needs. You can visit chemicalguys.com for that, or stop by your local detail garage. Restore your leather to how it once was. And better. Thanks to Chemical Guys. See you next time.